crypto market and even the SAFEMOON market are seeing unprecedented levels of volatility. Is it a bad idea to buy SAFEMOON right now? In this video, I'm going to dive deep into the technical details. As a result, be sure to stick around until the end to learn more about the SAFEMOON from the experts. What the market is doing and what you should do with your stock. Don't let a single second slip through your fingers. Disclaimer: what's going on, SAFEMOON? We're glad you're here today, and in today's video, we'll be discussing a variety of topics. Check out the SAFEMOON market's technical details. Is SAFEMOON a good investment for you? Is it time to get rid of your bag? Please wait until the end of this video before making a choice regarding your holding. However, keep in mind that I am not a financial counselor, so I can't tell you how much you should invest. With your money, you decide. Consequently, you should always carry out your own investigation. Consider subscribing to the channel and ringing the bell before we get started with the video. Icon. If you sign up for my newsletter, you'll be the first to know when I post a new video on the channel. Let's go ahead and watch today's video now. That Redditor who promised to get back to us hasn't been back in touch for about a week now. SAFEMOON's daily upload of its logo till SAFEMOON's Binance listing. SAFEMOON's daily uploader of the logo for over 200 days. The SAFEMOON Reddit turned radio silent all of a sudden. It was this that prompted Ren Bird, a SAFEMOON admirer who goes by the name of Ren, to find out what was wrong. Hyvaluron, the person who uploads the SAFEMOON logo every day, has been shown to be a hacker. I was hospitalized after contracting COVID. The last we heard from Hyvaluron was when he disappeared. So, no one knows what's going on with the Redditor at this point in time. However, the community's thoughts and prayers are undoubtedly with Hyvaluron. We can only hope that the Redditor recovers quickly and returns to posting regularly. Until SAFEMOON is listed on Binance, he will post the SAFEMOON logo every day. Let's now turn our attention to the important headlines. Wall Street analysts expect that the crypto meltdown will worsen. Worse. They predict that Bitcoin will fall below $10,000 rather than rise to $30,000 as previously predicted. As expected by some. For whatever reason, a Pulse survey, which attracted 950 participants and yielded the following findings. According to the results of that poll, 60% of participants believe that Bitcoin will crash, while 40% are skeptical. I believe it has the potential to rise to $30,000. You may be wondering why these survey results are so significant. For two reasons, the first of which I'll share with you right now and the second of which I'll share with you later. Watch with us now. Watching you is very appreciated. There are two reasons for this. First, the price of every cryptocurrency market is linked to the price of BTC. As a result, if Bitcoin crashes, you can nearly guarantee that the entire crypto market will follow suit. With that, the market falls. There is no doubt that, if it rises, the market will follow suit. Well, we've seen for ourselves the enormous impact Bitcoin has on the crypto industry. SAFEMOON has also been severely impacted by the current weak market. When investors are concerned about Bitcoin, it's only natural that they be concerned about alternative cryptocurrencies as well. And in addition to this, they sell their altcoin investments as well. Additionally, since the beginning of the year, the value of cryptocurrencies has dropped by some $2 trillion. According to data provided by CoinGecko last year. Unlike institutional investors, however, retail investors were more wary about cryptocurrencies. More than a quarter of counterparts consider the asset class to be worthless. The Business Standard reported that professional investors were more open-minded about digital assets. States. Keeping in mind that Bitcoin's price was last $10,000 in September is key. Of the coming year. If SAFEMOON falls to that level during this bear market, it might be fatal for the cryptocurrency market. Large sell-offs, as we could see across the board, not only for Bitcoin, but for other cryptocurrencies as well. Moreover, of course, this survey shows that public opinion on the cryptocurrency market isn't very favorable at the moment. Many people have already lost faith in Bitcoin, and this trend is expected to continue. SAFEMOON, among other cryptocurrencies, might take a serious hit if prices continue to fall. However, and this is the second reason I believe this story, we must also examine the following. The importance of this is undeniable to SAFEMOON. Any price action information you get should be filtered through this lens. A thorough investigation before taking any action, as there is always a possibility that this is nothing more than a ploy to coerce investors into liquidating their holdings. As a result, some people can enter the market at a cheaper price and then rise up the ranks, all the time. Market bulls wait patiently for the next one. If that's the case, selling off too soon could be a costly error. In order to make an educated choice, you should first conduct your own research. Based on your research. Additionally, there are numerous indicators suggesting the crypto market is on the verge of a significant resurgence. It's time to say goodbye to 2014. So, keep that in mind as well. To be clear, I am not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form. As usual, conduct your own research before making any decisions. As implied by the title, I promise to reveal a major SAFEMOON mystery. In this video, a new cooperation is discussed. This new information, which I'm going to share, is still classified as on the low. However, I'll tell you how much we know about this update in just a few seconds, and boy am I excited about it! Are you ready for this? Before we go any further, I'd like to make a very important point. A daily giveaway of 1000 SAFEMOON V2 tokens is held on this channel. To be eligible for a chance to win 1000 gleaming V2 tokens, simply subscribe. Please go to this channel, like this video, and use the hashtag #SAFEMOON. Wishing you the best of luck! You may resume watching the video now. Is Richard Branson going to buy SAFEMOON anytime soon? Possibly. For those who have never heard of Richard Branson, he is a British tycoon and philanthropist. Renowned for owning the Virgin Group. There are over 400 enterprises owned by this business group, according to Wikipedia. Fields. But what gives us reason to believe he'd be interested in SAFEMOON? So, here's the reason for this. There was a SAFEMOON After Dark event in January of this year that was quite popular. One of Scott Paul's Twitter accounts. When it comes to the SAFEMOON community, Scott Paul is a household name. Kearney's best friend and one of SAFEMOON's most ardent supporters. Paul's involvement in a number of major SAFEMOON related businesses is well known. Assisting in whatever way that may be done to bring in good words. Apparently, he was asked about the future of SAFEMOON After Dark on that particular episode. Kearney talked about a number of meetings that had been set up for him. However, he made an interesting reference to Richard Branson's businesses. Let's take a closer look at this now. SPACs are a key part of Branson's business plan, and it's an interesting one. Business. Special purpose acquisition companies are known as SPACs. Shell companies that issue blank checks are often known as blank check companies. Go public on the stock exchange and then buy smaller private companies. Companies. A little private firm goes public and raises money through this one transaction alone. Access to additional funding with no need to go through an IPO. Branson and the SAFEMOON dev team haven't spoken to one another yet. As a result, what do you think will happen if this merger truly goes through and Branson acquires SAFEMOON? SAFEMOON could be affected by this. Is this going to benefit us? Comment below and let me know what you think. In other crypto-related news, scammers are growing more and more clever. As a result, we should all exercise extreme caution. An imposter posing as MetaMask has sent you an image similar to the one you see on your computer screen. Representative. Therefore, extreme caution should be exercised when interacting with such messages and anything they include. If you have one, be sure to keep it private and never divulge it to anyone. This is the best way to ensure that your money is protected at all times. Finally, some noteworthy developments in the world of cryptocurrency. Many former Voyager cryptocurrency investors are beginning to second-guess their decision to use the failed platform. Altogether, in a post on Business Insider, Ellie Bozmarova wrote that Voyager had convinced her to give it a try. by a buddy who claimed that the investment decision would bring enormous returns. "I was suspicious at first," says Bozmarova. "When I first heard about cryptocurrencies, they sounded like sketchy businesses." In the end, Bozmarova would be persuaded by the evidence. She began by investing a small sum of money. But after seeing some profit, she decided to increase her initial investment a little more. So long as she didn't have tens of thousands in Voyager. Voyager has filed for bankruptcy as of today. Last week, Voyager filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. And, like the other 3 million crypto investors, I can't access my money. It says trading when I try to sell my USDC and get my money, but I'm not sure what that means. This feature is not available right now. I just lost tens of thousands of dollars if it's true that the money is gone, as many believe. I could have paid off my student loans with the tens of thousands of dollars that I was given." For Bozmarova, the decision to stay away from Bitcoin is the final nail in the coffin. This time, at least. Once bitten, twice shy appears to be the case here. However, the story's moral is critical. Do your own research at all times. Bozmarova was the first to acknowledge that she had no idea what she was talking about when it came to cryptocurrency. "Before purchasing one through Voyager, I tried it out. In order to succeed in the crypto market, it's critical to understand the fundamentals, which include: learn the fundamentals of any subject before making a financial commitment. As a result, you'll be able to weigh your options before deciding to hand over and risk losing your hard-earned money. Money. Investing with money you can't afford to lose is essential. Investments designed to meet basic human requirements should not be made into the crypto market due to its extreme volatility. In love with the idea? If you're just starting out, stick to investments you can lose and do your own due diligence." Having that in mind, today's video is over. I'm sure you had a good time. Thank you for your time. Section. This aids me in understanding the YouTube algorithm better. This video is a must-see for any die-hard SAFEMOON fan.